what are some of the severest things that you have, some of the most severe things that you've discovered, either through routine exams or it was screamingly evident when a mom or dad walked in with a child? What are some of the things that, wow, glad you were here, glad we came to you because you uncovered X, Y, or Z? What are some of those things?
Sure. So, our day-to-day lives as pediatricians, we handle our common diagnoses, but every now and then something does come in that tightens you up a little bit. You can recall several different experiences. One that stands out is years ago, a mother brought her child in barely breathing, was turning blue, and of course our staff acted accordingly. We jumped on things, provided care, got the child stabilized and be transported to the hospital. But it was a child who was less than 2 months old who ended up having pertussis, whooping cough. And that is something that is very common, unfortunately. We do have vaccines to prevent that, but oftentimes in those early ages, the child hasn't been old enough yet to get a vaccine, which is why we encourage mothers now to get a vaccination for that, even while pregnant or while in the hospital delivering the baby. Other cases, what I thought was a routine heart murmur ended up being a significant heart problem for which the child had open heart surgery within a couple days after discovery of that heart murmur. I had a recent situation where a child came in, again, thinking it was a routine heart murmur and was seen by cardiology upon referral, and within a few days as well had to have open heart surgery. And these are things that concern us. We hear the stories of the adolescent, the teenager who falls out on the ball field and dies, and that was one of those situations that, it had not been discovered, could have led to something serious like that. The other issues where a parent can bring a child in who thinks they just have a simple stomach virus, and the child comes in and they're dehydrated, and the parent wants to know why they're so sleepy, and it's because they're dehydrated, and the need to get them into the hospital for some IV fluids.